Imagine waking up every morning to wavy hair that's smooth, shiny, and frizz-free, no salon visit needed. Today we're diving into a simple DIY keratin hack, using everyday kitchen ingredients that can give your waves that salon-smooth shine, safely and naturally. Hi, I'm Dr. John Smith. Let's talk about why this matters for us, over 55. As we age, our hair often gets drier, more brittle, and those beautiful waves can turn frizzy from hormones, environment, or just time. Keratin is the protein that makes up 90% of your hair. It's what keeps it strong and smooth. Salon treatments promise miracles, but often use harsh chemicals like formaldehyde, which can irritate skin, eyes, or even lungs, especially risky for seniors with sensitive health. Studies show keratin can repair damaged cuticles and boost shine without those dangers when done naturally. Our DIY version mimics that by pulling keratin from natural sources like okra or rice, plus moisturizers for gentle smoothing on wavy hair. It's formaldehyde-free, budget-friendly, and perfect for weekly use without heat damage. Real people report silkier waves lasting weeks with less breakage. Why wavy hair loves this hack? Wavy hair, think 2B to 3A patterns, has natural texture that is gorgeous, but prone to frizz in humidity or with age-related dryness. This hack seals the cuticle, reduces puffiness by up to 50% in tests on similar natural masks, and adds reflective shine without straightening your waves away. For seniors, it strengthens thinning strands, cutting styling time so you spend less effort on bad hair days. If you're loving this already, give it a thumbs up. Hit like, share with a friend who needs smoother hair, and subscribe for more senior-friendly health tips. Unlike chemical salon jobs that last 3 to 6 months, but risk allergies or hair loss, this nourishes from within safely. A study on keratin particles showed 40% better mechanical strength in treated hair, even over bleached ones. Imagine that for your waves. Science behind the smoothness. Keratin particles from plants bond to your hair shaft, filling gaps and smoothing the surface for shine. Natural ingredients like okra release cysteine, a key keratin building block, while oils lock in moisture. Research confirms these boost alpha helix structure, making hair more elastic and less breakable. For wavy seniors, it promotes follicle health without hormones or synthetics. Ingredients you'll need: super simple. 4 to 5 fresh okra pods, natural keratin powerhouse, 1 cup water, 1 to 2 TBSP, olive or coconut oil for shine and hydration, 1 TBSP rice flour or ground rice, thickens and smooths. Optional: 1 TBSP honey or aloe vera gel for extra moisture. These are gentle, anti-inflammatory, and senior-approved, no allergens for most. Step by step, making the mask. Start by washing 4 to 5 okra pods under cool water. No need to dry them. Chop them into small pieces and blend with 1 cup of water until smooth, like a thin gel. Strain through a fine cloth or sieve into a bowl to get pure liquid. This takes just 5 minutes and extracts the mucilage full of keratin precursors. Stir in 1 TBSP rice flour until no lumps, then add 1 TBSP olive oil and honey if using. Mix to a creamy paste. Rice adds silica for strength. Oil penetrates waves for frizz control. This makes enough for shoulder-length hair, double for longer. How to apply for salon results. First, shampoo with a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser skip conditioner to open cuticles. Towel dry to damp, not dripping. Section wavy hair into 4 parts for easy reach. Glove up, apply mask from roots to ends, focusing on mid-lengths where waves frizz most. Massage gently for 5 minutes, feel that slip, that's keratin coating each strand. Cover with a shower cap, wrap a warm towel, not hot, and relax 45 to 60 minutes. Heat activates bonding without blow dryers harming senior scalps. Rinse with cool water, only no shampoo. Air dry or diffuse on low. First time results shine in 24 hours, peaking day 3 as it sets. Immediate benefits you'll notice: expect 70% less frizz, waves that define without crunch, and mirror-like shine from day 1. Hair feels softer, combs easier, colors pop brighter. For seniors, less breakage means fuller look over time. Users over 50 say styling drops from 20 to 5 minutes daily. Tips for wavy hair perfection. Refresh waves post-mask with a leave-in conditioner or aloe spritz. Never brush dry. Use fingers or wide-tooth comb wet. Sleep on silk pillowcase to lock shine overnight. For Jaipur humidity, mist with diluted apple cider vinegar weekly to seal further. Do this mask every 7 to 10 days. Overdoing thins it out. Tailor for seniors. If scalp sensitive, patch test first. Arthritis hands? Enlist help or use clips for sections. Pairs great with biotin-rich foods like eggs for internal keratin boost. Boost inside out, keratin foods. Eat eggs, salmon, sweet potatoes, top keratin builders, strengthening waves naturally. A handful of nuts daily adds shine. Studies link protein intake to 30% less hair loss in over 50s. Drink plenty of water-dry hair, hates dehydration. Real senior stories and proof. One 62-year-old viewer shared her 2C waves, went frizz-free for 2 weeks. Confidence soared. Another 58-year-old ditched salon bills, saved $200 yearly. PUBMED, research backs. Natural keratin restores 35% tensile strength, safe long-term. No formaldehyde risks like salon ones. Common mistakes to skip. Don't use hot water rinse, it strips the coating. Avoid sulfates 72 hours post-treatment. They undo magic. If hair super dry, add avocado to mask next time for omega fatty acids. Not for color treated if fresh, wait 2 weeks. Potential side effects and when to pause. Super rare, but greasy feel if too much oil. Rinse better next. Allergic to okra? Swap for banana rice mask. Consult doc if scalp issues. Safe for most, but pregnancy or chemo, skip. Studies show no toxicity in natural versions. Long-term wins for senior waves. Monthly use builds resilience. Hair grows stronger, grays shinier. Combine with scalp massages for circulation, thinning reversal. Track progress. Photo week 1 versus 4. You'll love bouncy, manageable waves again. That's your DIY keratin hack. Friends, simple, safe, salon shine at home. Try it. Share results below. Stay healthy, keep shining.